Deep in the forgotten woods, a legend lies buried under decades of decay. Nature has claimed this Ford F-150. The rust is deep, eating through the iron. Every window is a web of cracks. It hasn't seen the road in 40 years. The tires have sunk into the mud, becoming part of the earth itself. The door handle is frozen shut. This truck is a time capsule of neglect. First, we must liberate it from the grip of the wild. Heavy steel cables are the only way to move this heavy beast. The ground groans as the F-150 finally shifts after decades of stillness. Emerging from the shadows, the true scale of the damage is revealed. The journey to a second life begins now. Welcome to the workshop.
We need to see what's left of the foundation. Generations of dirt are about to meet high-pressure water. Under the grime, the original blue paint starts to peek through. The cabin smells of old leather and forgotten memories. It seems we weren't the only ones living here.
Let's see if the heart of this beast still exists. A V8 engine buried under a mountain of rust and oil. The oil is black sludge. The coolant is long gone. One by one, we strip away the old electrical veins. Time for the heavy lifting. The V8 is coming out.
For the first time in years, the engine bay is empty. We are stripping it down to the bare bones. The heavy truck bed is lifted, revealing the frame. The backbone of the F-150 is finally visible. It's rough. Every piece of fabric and plastic must go. This is where the real transformation starts. Sand versus rust. Shining silver metal emerges from the brown decay. It's a messy job, but essential for a perfect finish. We found a crack. Time to weld the sole back together, strengthening the steel to make it better than factory original.
Sealing the steel so rust never returns. Look at that finish. The foundation is now rock solid. Out with the old leaf springs, in with the high performance. The axles are rebuilt to handle serious power. Safety first, modern disc brakes for this classic.
A clean tank for a clean engine. Moving to the body, the hood has huge dents, smoothing out the scars of time. Endless hours of sanding to get that laser-straight look. A thin mist of black to find every imperfection.
Every corner must be perfect, even where no one looks. The interior floor is now ready for its new skin. The moment of truth. The F-150 enters the booth. A deep metallic blue that brings the truck back to life. This is where the shine becomes legendary.
You can see your reflection in the steel now. Back to the heart. New pistons for maximum compression. The core of the power is perfectly balanced, ported and polished for that V8 roar. Every engine needs a bit of jewelry. Feeding the beast with a high-flow intake. Old school tech for that classic throttle response. Before it goes in, we test the heartbeat. Listen to that. The F-150 breathes again. A clean engine is a happy engine.
Lowering the body back onto the perfect frame. The silhouette of the truck is finally returning. Modern electronics for reliable daily driving. The classic dash gets a modern touch. Crystal clear views for the road ahead.
Making the cabin as quiet as a luxury car. Deep black carpet for that premium feel. These aren't your grandpa's old bench seats. Everything fits like a glove now. A classic wood-rimmed wheel to guide the way.
Modern LEDs hidden in classic round housings. Fresh chrome that blinds you in the sun. The heavy steel bumpers are back, polished to perfection. Dual pipes for that signature Ford rumble. The perfect stance requires the perfect wheels.
This bed is ready to work again. Hand painting the classic Ford letters. Bright red gems to finish the rear. Keeping that V8 cool under pressure. The final mechanical connections are made. A massive chrome air cleaner to top it off. Fresh blood for the new beast. Powering up the system for the first time. Soft blue LED glow to match the exterior. No looking back, only ahead.
The F-150 badge is the final touch of honor. Ready for any weather. High octane for a high-performance legend. Here we go, the moment of truth. It lives, the sound of pure American muscle, moving under its own power for the first time in 40 years. Smooth shifts and a roar that turns heads. Stopping power is perfect, handled like a dream on the open curves.
From a rusted heap to a showroom masterpiece, every line, every curve is better than new. Luxury meets heritage inside this cabin. A powerhouse that looks as good as it runs. This legend is back where it belongs, on the road.
Remember where we started, abandoned and broken. From a pile of rust to a work of art. Hundreds of hours, one incredible result. What should we restore next? Let us know. Subscribe for more unbelievable transformations.